Hello, welcome to yet another video. I have in for repair, well, I say repair, a bit of a tune-up really. A fellow Charlie Tango members Hammer International Concorde Mark II. Belongs to Eric, and it's almost ready to go. I'm just finishing off one or two things. It should be back in the post for him on the weekend with any luck. This weekend I was hoping to get it done and dusted. Weekend just gone, but too many things doing. One of them was trying to get the 3-element Yagi up in the air, which is now done. So I'm now concentrating back on NX radio. The reason I got the camera pointed at the oscilloscope is because I just wanted to show what flat topping is with amplifiers. So this is it's a short video, very short video in fact, of what it is. So back to NX radio. It says a Concorde Mark II. I've got a tone generator connected up to the microphone socket, and I've got a tone going in there, so I don't have to keep saying 4, 4, 4 or 1, 2, 1, 2. You can't really adjust a PA section with by saying 1, 2, 1, 2 or 4. You do need a proper two tones going in. And if I just key up, you'll see the actual waveform. Let me see if I can steady it up a bit on the scope. I'll zoom in just slightly. Okay, there's the waveform. You see the actual top of the waveform here. It's almost flat. That's what is referred to as flat topping. And flat topping does resemble a square wave. And a square wave is rich in harmonics. And ideally, you'd like to see the actual top of the waveform here rounded. You'd like this to almost meet in the middle, giving a 100% modulation and a nice rounded top to the actual peak of the waveform. So we shall adjust the ALC. By the way, the radio is doing about 8 watts. So if I just adjust the ALC, you'll see it'll do that. Obviously you don't want to back it right off because you end up with hardly any power. So it's a bit of a balancing act, I suppose, between a nice waveform and maximum power. So which occurs around about there. So we have a little bit more modulation could be applied. You can see a nice rounded peak to the actual waveform. So there we go, that's upper sideband, 28015 MHz on Eric's Hammer International Concorde 2 with quite a nice waveform, and the power has only dropped by just a couple of watts. Excuse the noise, that's the fan on the power supply just kicking in. So as I said, that's what ALC does. So actually adjusting your ALC on your radio possibly puts the power up of the output power up a couple of watts, but it can have a big effect on the actual quality. Start overdriving, which is what you're doing. The amplifier can't give any more, and it starts to put out unwanted products in the transmission, harmonics and rubbish, to call it that. And of course, if you're using an amplifier, all this rubbish, harmonics, just gets amplified, and if the amplifier is poorly designed as well, that will add to the problem as well. Hopefully it's sorted now, and I've just got 1 or 2 other things to do which I won't have time for now this week, so I'll try and finish it off Friday morning. I hope the future king and queen saves me a slice of cake. So with that, I'll wish you all the best, and thanks for watching.